Today's Japanese 今日の日本語しかませんしかませんしかません means only. It is used with a negative verb. Example 水しか飲みません I drink only water. Welcome to One Point Japanese. Today's Japanese lesson, grammar. Today's grammar is from JLPT N5. Today's grammar is しかません. Let's practice with questions and answers. Question 朝何を飲みますか? What do you drink in the morning? Answer 水しか飲みません I drink only water. Question 昼ご飯に何を食べますか? What do you eat for lunch? Answer サラダしか食べません I eat only salad. Question 何語を勉強していますか? What language are you studying? Answer 日本語しか勉強していません I'm studying only Japanese. Today's grammar was しかません Thank you for studying Japanese with us. We upload new videos every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. See you in the next lesson.